Yo guys, thanks for checking us out. Today I want to talk to you guys about chrome deletes. So this is a little chrome delete 101 for you guys. Chrome deletes basically are essentially deleting all the chrome or getting rid of all the chrome in the vehicle. Via wrapping or painting if the items are too small and dexterous. When it comes to chrome delete, you can choose between any one of our top tier brands like 3M, Avery Dennison, KPMF, or Orful. Finishes you can get anywhere from a matte, satin, or gloss finish. This car in particular has a satin black chrome delete to match the satin black body, but they could easily want gloss black if they wanted a little bit more pop, or matte black if they want to differentiate a little bit more compared to the satin black body. You can also change out a couple other things like the front and the rear tees. You could do them in chromes or reds or yellow. This particular Model 3 customer wanted to do red face tees on the front and rear to kind of customize the car, make it a little bit more for themselves. So long story short, chrome deletes are the cost-effective way of customizing your vehicle, making it look really cool and separating you from everybody else out on the road. So if you got any other questions or comments, feel free to write them down below. Again, thanks for always checking us out. Peace.